Wait, folks, how's it all going? Welcome back, an old man in the land of grills. Well, let's fire up the Masterbuilt Gravity Series charcoal grill, folks. This thing is just awesome. And you know what? I'm gonna do some chicken on there, some real chicken breasts. I haven't done real bone-in, skin-on chicken breasts in forever. So let's, I'll tell you what, I'll get this fired up. You go take a look at that chicken. All right, folks, there's our two bone-in chicken. I haven't done bone-in chicken breasts in a long time. And yeah, I'm break out the big dicks, folks. It's been a while since I broke out the big dicks margarita rub. And let's get that on the grill. All right, here's what I'm using for charcoal today. My local hardware store had these little 6-pounders on sale for like $3. So I bought 2 of them, and it's long burning, so I'm just trying 1 bag in there, just 6 pounds. I put enough in there just to cover the grates, and put 1 big chunk of hickory in there. Folks, if you've never seen this grill and you're wondering, hey, I'd like to know more about the Masterbuilt Gravity Series charcoal grill, Tom Horseman on YouTube, folks. And if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, gosh darn it, folks, please subscribe. So let's, as you can see, I got it set 225, just closed the lids, and she's already up to 86 and climbing fast. So once she gets to 225, get that chicken on. All right, folks, just put the chicken on. You can see 225 is what she set at, and 226 doing very good. You can see what's on the tray, Tom. I'm going to be using some new sauce here tonight. I got from a place called Armadillo Pepper, and I'll leave the website down below. Whisky barbecue sauce. Doesn't that sound good? And I actually know this guy's name is Jeff, and he's actually got a YouTube channel, and he makes sauces, and sent me a bottle and said, hey, would you mind trying it out? And of course I will. So I'm sure it'll be delish. But let's first let's take a look. That's chicken. Got a water pan down there with some warm water in it. And these split grates that come with the Masterbuilt here are, I actually kind of like them, because it gives you the opportunity to, you know, like in this case I'm just using one. I have 4 of them. And in this case, I'm just using 1, and I actually kind of like that. So we'll get things closed up here. I think we're going to do 225. It's kind of a little later in the day today. Do 225 for an hour, and then we're going to turn it up to 325, and then bake our chicken. But and then we'll put the sauce on. Oh man, can't wait, folks. Keep on watching. Give you a couple more look-sees. All right, a little over an hour, folks. Still set at 225. You can see she's reading 223. You curious what the numbers say right there? Look at that. There's been some criticism that that doesn't line up with what's in the grill, and folks, that confirms it. That we're set at 225, and that's pretty close. 225. I took out the stock one that comes with the Masterbuilt. No numbers. Come on, Masterbuilt. That's what you need right there. Let's take a look at the chicken before we bump it up to 325. Oh, looking mighty nice. Looking mighty nice. We're gonna bump this up to 325, give you another look-see. I just want to show you, this just blows my mind how fast this thing gets up to temp. I just set it to that 325. Remember, we were at 225. Look at how fast that goes. That's crazy, just crazy. And then right now the fan is starting to throttle down because it's getting close to 325, which is what I set it to from 225. 100 degrees in like a minute, not even. All right, folks, we're about 40 minutes at 325. Let's take a quick look here. See, our temp there is what it says right there. Pretty impressive. Oh yeah, nice color, really nice color on that chicken, folks. Keep on going. We're at 165 internal is what you want on this. And next time you see this, I think we'll start saucing up using some of this Whisky barbecue sauce from Armadillo Pepper. All right, folks, we got our sauce on there. I did a little test taste of this, and this is actually some pretty nice stuff. It is a vinegar-based sauce with this Whisky barbecue sauce. Yeah, let's take a quick look on there. Oh man, I'll tell you what, that is some nice looking color going on there. We're gonna give this about 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna pull it off. And let's tell you what, you keep on watching. We'll show you the taste test. That's the stuff right there, folks. I really like it. Nice stuff. Take a look at that chicken. Look at how moist it is. Oh man. I gotta take a taste test of that. Some nice smoke from the charcoal, a piece of hickory I put on there, and then nice and moist in. The sauce has got just a little bite to it. Good stuff. Folks, I hope you enjoy this. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And oh, hang on, you know what? Stay tuned. Let's see how much of that charcoal, those of you who are, hey, how much of that 6 pounds of charcoal did you burn through? Hang on, let's go take a look. All right, we're just cooling down, giving you a look, see at how much is left. I really hard to tell, but we definitely have some left. So get this closed up so she can cool down. Thanks for watching, folks. Do appreciate it. Thumbs up, leave a comment.